Hey guys, what's up? My name's Nate. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video. I've debated for a long time now whether or not I should do a YouTube channel, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. I've been kind of nervous to get started, but I'm super excited to start creating content for you guys. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about what to expect from my channel, what my channel is going to be about, and also want to give a little background about myself. I'm not a really good vlogger or anything like that, but I've dabbled in video editing in the past, so hopefully we can do something cool with that. This is going to be an automotive channel. My love of cars started when I was young, of course playing with Matchbox. I also was raised on a farm, so I've always worked and lived around lots of different vehicles. And if you know anything about farming, granted I have learned how to work on a ton of different vehicles. Definitely not scared to get dirty in the engine or in whatever part it might be in a car. So from my channel, I'm hoping to provide quality content to help motivate you guys with your personal cars, trucks, vehicles, whatever it may be that you have. I myself own a couple of vehicles. I still live and work on the family farm during the summers when I'm not going to school, so I still have access to lots of different vehicles. Hopefully I can show you guys some cool stuff. I've got lots of great content prepared. I'm super excited to get all of this stuff out. I'm planning on doing weekly uploads on Sunday, probably around 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That's where I live in Wyoming. And hopefully you guys stay tuned to see what I've got. Of course, if you like my idea, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If there's any content that you guys are interested in seeing, or if you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave a comment below. And I guess that's it. See you guys next time.